ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री महासरस्वती नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। A very good evening to all. Today we are taking up the fifth sloka of Gita Dhyana. Om Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Om Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. The Deva, God, who is the son of Vasudeva. So we know that Krishna is the son of the Yadava king, Vasudeva. Otherwise also Krishna is Vasudeva because Mahavishnu is having four celestial forms, Vyuhas, Chaturvyuha, known as Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. So this Vasudeva form of Vishnu only took avatar as Sri Krishna. So both ways Sri Krishna is Vasudeva, being Vasudeva's son and being the incarnation of the Vasudeva form of Vishnu. Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, who has killed or tortured and killed Kamsa and Chanura. A little bit on this story. Actually, when it was revealed that Krishna, who was taken to Gokul immediately after birth from Mathura, and again from Gokul because of the repeated attacks by the demons deputed by Kamsa, the Gokul Vasis decided to shift their residence to Vrindavan. Then they came to Vrindavan. There also Krishna had to encounter so many demons. Finally, it was revealed that Krishna and Balarama are actually the sons of Vasudeva. And now Kamsa felt all the more threatened. So he wanted to, he made a drama of Karmuka Yajna. So he placed the bow of Lord Shiva. Earlier during Sri Rama's time, the Triambaka, this bow of Lord Shiva was put in an yajna by Janaka. Now Kamsa put the Karmuka bow of Lord Shiva in an yajna and also arranged for a wrestling match for getting Balarama and Sri Krishna killed by the ace wrestlers, cruel wrestlers known as Mushtika and Chanura. This was the plan. So Akrura went to Vrindavan and fetched Krishna and Balarama to this Mathura. After coming to Mathura, Krishna went to that Karmuka Yajna, and again, like Sri Rama broke the bow of Triambaka bow of Shiva, he again broke the Karmuka bow, kept at that Karmuka Yajna. Then he was ushered into the wrestling arena. In front of the wrestling arena, a very cruel elephant, Kuvalaya Pitha, was kept. And its Mahut also was a cruel man. He exhorted that elephant to kill Balarama and Krishna, but eventually Balarama and Krishna killed that elephant and took its two tusks of the elephant. They wrenched out and took as trophies. They went into the wrestling arena. There, Mushtika and Chanura invited them for the wrestling. Krishna himself told, you should not fight with the small children of 11 or 12 years old. And your entire participants, including Devaki and Vasudeva, were also watching. All participants also told, spectators also told, this is very cruel. But Mushtika and Chanura eventually fought with Krishna and Balarama, and both were killed. Then in that rage, Krishna jumped into the gallery, and where Kamsa was seated, with even there was a screen to protect from a probable attack of Krishna, but he jumped over it and killed Kamsa also. That is the Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. Devaki Paramanandam. Krishna is the ultimate bliss, Paramanandam of Devaki. There is nothing more blissful or sweeter than Krishna for Devaki in her life. Devaki underwent a lot of torture and troubles, imprisonment by giving birth to Sri Krishna. But finally, Krishna came from Vrindavan and killed Kamsa and released her and Vasudeva, and she got the Paramananda back. And finally, being Krishna's parents, they got Mukti also. So, Krishna is Devaki Paramananda. Krishna Vande Jagadguru. Krishna is the Guru of the universe. So he has a Mahavishnu, he is the Paramatma Mahavishnu, he is the source of the Vedas. He has taught the Brahmajnana to Lord Brahma by taking the form as a swan. And Sri Krishna is the Guru or Lord of all yoga. So Yogeshwara Krishna. And finally he taught the unparalleled knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in the battlefield. So by all means, Sri Krishna is Jagadguru. Krishna Mande Jagadguru. I salute that Krishna who is Vasudeva Sutam, who is the son of Vasudeva, who has killed Kamsa and Chanura, who is the Paramananda of Devaki, and who is also the Jagadguru. Such Krishna I salute. Thank you very much for listening.